Sensory awareness lets him feel and react with his environment. Friend or predator, you decide. Roboraptor, a fusion.
An immediate evacuation warning has been issued for the following areas. Your present location, hiding, did not work. Arrival has been made. Run. You must run. Take nothing. Think nothing. They hear you. They hear your heart, your blood, pumping, your brain, rushing. They hear all. Your panic, your fears. They sense it. They know you. Intimately, they know you. They know what you will do. Do something else. Subvert your own expectations. Act. Don't think. Now run. Go where you would not. There is no safety. There is nowhere to hide. Advantage. Distance. Your only advantage is distance. Keep distance. Do not wait to see them. You will know if you see them. If you see them, it is too late. Do not underestimate them.
Had this been an actual emergency, the attention tone you just heard would have been followed by important information and instructions. Again, this is only a test. No action is needed at this time.